The MacArthur 100 and Change project aims to produce measurable change on a critical social issue or problem. I'm very excited and honored that NYU and the Global Ties for Children Center will be involved in the very exciting partnership between Sesame Workshop and the International Rescue Committee. Our project focuses on the well-being and development of young children in Syrian refugee families across the Middle East. 1.5 million children are going to be reached through home and center-based services. The broadcast of the new Sesame Street for this context will be provided at scale to a total of over 9 million children and families. So the MacArthur 100 and Change had as a major emphasis in the initiative the role of learning, evaluation, and research. So we will be heading up the research and evaluation aspects of the initiative, and so we'll be helping to guide and carry out all of the research focused on implementation. And then we'll also conduct impact evaluation research so that we contribute to the global evidence base, which is currently quite lacking on what works for refugee families to support their young children's development.